thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to help you understand why we call this in-display. And really, we have what we call the 3 I's and benefits of this solution. And we'll talk about that with you. And at the end of this seminar, which will be quite short as we mentioned, you'll really understand what we're talking about. And we hope that you'll enjoy it very much. Eyes of in-display. The first thing is we call it integrated. We have done the research, we have done the testing, so you don't have to. We are integrating the materials, which is, textiles, PVC materials, paper products. We've made sure, first of all, that they're printable with good color, as you can see here. Secondly, we've made sure that they work with the device. And we've combined that Neschen media with the Expo Link products. So those two together are integrated. We've done all the testing. Would you rather fix equipment, or would you rather do the printing and make the money from the prints? I think printing would be the thing we want to get done, right? That's where we make our money. So don't worry about the hardware part of it. Get the printing done, then you can actually start making the money that you deserve to make.
And this is what I was talking about when they take into consideration the printer actually installing the graphic. To get into this unit, all you do is push 2 buttons and it pops open. And then you have your roller. Before you pop it open, you want to put your little Allen wrench key in there so you don't lose the tension. But if you do lose the tension, you can actually slide it in the end of the unit and retension it. You can turn it 36 times and it'll retention. So you take your graphic, you apply this to the bottom of the graphic, slide it into your roller. There's a metal piece that has an adhesive at the top of the graphic on there. Slide it in here, put it into the stand, and boom, you're done. Now, one of the benefits of this is that for about $6, you can change out a graphic. So your customer can use a stand over and over again. Or maybe you have a customer who wants to use several different banners, different times of the year they're having a sale, and they can change it out themselves, and you just send them a new roller.
You can put it to work now and do something different with it, and get a little bit more business out of that printer. So it's a faster way to pay off that printer.
And a bigger profit margin, because it's going to cost you, I don't know, $8 to $10 to use a textile instead of a PVC in your stand. But you're going to be able to charge $40 or $50 more because
Went to that in-display thing. What was that? What would you say? What's that? What would you say in-display is?
User-friendly banner stand.
User-friendly banner stand. Okay.
He's just asking because we're trying to come up with a better name.
Yep. It's more than that, though, isn't it? Can you buy a display from anyone out there? Any kind of provider? No, you can't. Because it's a Neschen product that we provide to our better resellers, and which is Tech is one of them, and they will make sure that it has that guaranteed backing in it as well. Remember, it also, Dory mentioned this, when you get that demo kit, we're going to make sure you're going to use it, right?
Right.
We're going to make sure that
put up with me.
you've got the material in there that we can help you develop that market in your area. So please keep that in mind. It's a very, just yell it out as loud as you can. I'll count on 3. Just yell out Neschen as loud as you can.
Does everyone get a free one?
Well, we'll see. We'll see. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Neschen!
Okay, good. So that means Jay Sensing has won this particular. Hey, Jay, come on up here. All right, give him a hand. Doreen will be here the rest of the day, and also tomorrow. She has the very corner in the back over there. Please go see her and get some more specific information about the product. If you want right now, come on up. We'll answer some questions, and you can handle the equipment. We want you to, feel like see what it feels like. Come on up. That way you don't have to be so tall. Figure it all out. Good. You guys want to take a look at this part? Anybody? You're good?
Now, see, make sure you have your Yeah, that's our. The whole thing, because they said that they have
One of the things actually built in.
So they come with bags.
That's where this intention in this.
It is.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
What most folks do.
Slide the tension back. But that doesn't matter. I see that.
Well, I'm sending them, and I like
The Neschen laminator surveying and others, because you have a larger roll and you have heat and cold and so forth, you can actually do some of these processes at once. So instead of 3 steps, sometimes you can do it in just 2 or even 1 step. So here in this case, we're actually putting a adhesive on the bottom of the graphic to mount it to a board, and then a laminate over the top. We can do that actually simultaneously, which is really kind of interesting. Encapsulation, again, is just a film on both sides, as you can see that one that was passed around, and then single-sided is just mounting, which is probably the most common type that's been used. You can see the vehicle wraps are all of those are laminated, at least they should be. All of our laminators have back, which we have an old laminator, a lot of colors again to put on, where you can take the material, put it on, put a locking collar on, you can right from the turn that, tighten it. In those days, it's not filled, there's great pressure on that film. You actually get to get it. That has a drop or a cut string. It's great for you can shatter and something. And what we've done now is roll the grades on the machine and marking the grades. Vintage supply shop. Roller on, and it goes to 105 degrees, so it just warms your fingers. It's only 105 degrees, so it's not a lot. And because it's only 105 degrees, it allows us to keep the machine at 110 instead of having to go to 220. Any 60-inch machine that is a heated machine goes up to 250 degrees. The heating element draws a lot of electric, so all those machines are 220 volt machines. So being just heat assist allows us to keep it 110, which a lot of sign shops is a different machine. With that additional electric. Anyone have any questions? Okay. What I would do for this application is bring my print up.